I need this classical Francie head for my next project. I thought I could use this Francie head mold for my next project, but no, I can't. That's the rarest Francie of the world and I want to recreate her. I need this Francie head for my next project. The Sun Sun Francie was produced only in Japan. Let me show you the differences. We have here the Malibu Francie head. She has an open mouth, the Casey head mold, and she has painted on eyelashes. So this is a completely different head mold than this Francie has. This is the classical Francie head that we have from the beginning in 1965. You see mine has no lashes here because she's a straight leg Francie. She has the typical Francie head mold. My two early Francies have the brown eyes, while she has the kind of blue lilac eyes. Who of you has ever seen a real Sun Sun Francie? This Sun Sun Francie project will be one of the most elaborate projects I have ever done here on this channel.